Well, good morning, YouTube. Just found out that someone tried to break into my trailer again.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. And if you didn't know, I have a trailer that we use to haul supercars. So I bought this last year, it's a little over a year old. And this is the second time someone's assaulted my trailer and tried to break into it. Yeah, someone beat the shit out of the trailer. Great. Like, I don't even know where to begin. People suck. People are just terrible. Real quick, before we get into this whole thing today, if you'd like to support us, please go like, share, and subscribe. That does support the channel, so thank you. And you can buy parts and services for your car through our website, normoguysupercar.com. We do appreciate that. But I guess we need to go over to the Howard where the trailer is stored and see how much damage there is. And I gotta make sure the trailer's still functional. I don't even know what's wrong with it, if they broke other shit, because we're supposed to use it tomorrow to go pick up our next project car. All right, let's go see what's wrong with this trailer and how bad it is.
A few moments later.
All right, YouTube. Well, they definitely f***ed it up pretty good. I don't know if they got in or not. Oh, they did. And wow. God damn it. Damn, dude. They totally f***ed up my trailer. What a disappointment. Well, let's see what all they stole. And God damn it, now my trailer's all f***ed up. Look at this. Doesn't really seal anymore. Pieces of shit. Assholes. Well, actually, my toolbox is still here, and the jack is still here, which would be the things I thought would be stolen. Even my straps. These are, I mean, these are a couple $100. I don't think they stole anything. So they broke in just to like break in? What the f***? They just broke in and then went away. Great. So now I just have a damaged trailer for no reason. Like, if you're at least gonna steal shit, you fucking twats. God, look at this. It's even damaged on the inside. Oh, man. I don't know, like, is this all just on the door? I mean, I think the good news is all the damage is just the door. So, they just pried it off, it looks like. Yep. Well, this is still in good shape, but this whole thing is done. I guess I have to probably get a new door. I wonder if I can order one. Yeah, see, they didn't do anything back here because those are like beefy ass locks. They can't get through these.
Yeah.
These are like, that's like.
Do they have any teeth marks like they tried?
Nope.
Yeah.
It's same on the other door. It's just this. It's that shitty little lock, which I actually wanted to upgrade.
Look at that.
I know, I tore this up, and look at it, like doesn't seal right anymore. It's all cocked and it bent it on the inside.
Oh yeah.
So I need to probably get the whole door replaced. This looks to be okay, but this got f***ed up in here. Where the striker plate is.
Yeah.
Nothing's stolen.
Yeah.
Not even the tools.
Yeah.
I thought for sure the tools and the jack would be gone.
Yeah.
Like, those are the things that actually probably would be easy to sell, but okay, whatever. They just, like, what they think was gonna be in here? Assholes. That's right, son of a bitch. We got you on camera, you piece of shit. Alright, YouTube, there he is. That's the bastard. Breaking in my trailer. Doesn't steal anything. Downside is I'm not sure we're gonna be able to get a license plate. It's like right at the edge of where the camera can kind of get it. Yeah, you piece of shit. It takes him about 3-4 minutes to break in, and then he just kind of looks around the trailer and then takes off because there wasn't much in there. So all he did was break my trailer for no reason, didn't steal anything. I hate people. So anyone in Austin recognize this sack of shit? Yeah, that guy? Well, if you do, tell him he's a piece of shit. Alright, well, there seems to be enough damage that I'm going to have to replace some components on it, so we'll have to see if we can find those components. I don't know where the hell you get trailer parts. So we got the security camera footage. I'm gonna play that in just a second. You can clearly see it's some sort of Hyundai. It's red. Some piece of shit asshole breaking in my shit, breaking stuff. It's just so frustrating, you know? It's just like, it's just damaging my property. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I'll let you know what we do and how we fix it and stuff. If we do that, I'm gonna install an alarm system in it. So I got one of those ordered already. So that's coming. So like, share, and subscribe. I guess not really like, but you know, like, because yeah, it helps the algorithm, not because you like it. And go visit normalguyssupercar.com because that supports us, and we do appreciate when you guys can buy parts and service, because I need to help pay for a busted trailer now.
Eventually.
Well, hello YouTube. We are back at my trailer, and we're gonna fix the damage that was done to this thing. So I have a new latch for the that bar mechanism, and we're gonna try and unscrew the old one if we can and replace it, so at least I can lock this thing again, because right now I can't lock my trailer, which is kind of a problem. Looks like it's going to be a reasonably easy fix, as long as it's not too damaged. The only problem that's concerning is the striker plate got completely torn out, so we're gonna have to see if we can't somehow get that reattached. Yeah, you can see they really beat this up, and then the screws just tore right out of the metal. I was able to get the first one out, no problem. The second one is a little bit stuck in there, so I have to pound that out with a hammer. And I think we're actually gonna have to change the position of it a little bit too. Alrighty, got those out. Now I just need to bend this back in because it's bumping right up against the bar. Alrighty, got my hole drilled. Now I just need to get a long enough bolt to go in there and secure it. Alright, I think maybe that'll work. Let's try. Yay!
And there was much rejoicing.
Alright, now just to fix the striker plate. So the striker plate was supposed to probably go into this inner piece of metal, and it wasn't. So I am going to use much longer screws so it can anchor into that big piece of metal. I think that's going to give it a lot more stability. Alright, striker plate's in, much better screws, and now it shuts. The deadbolt's in there, and so we can tie the deadbolt down and lock it like that. Much better. Although, you know, I don't know if it's gonna stop them with this, but... And I need to get an actual lag bolt, so it's, yeah, so they can't unscrew it as easily. But maybe I'll weld it. That'd be fun. We'll just weld those suckers in. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is install an actual car alarm that's got, like, the ability to send signals and talk to the Wi-Fi here and actually alert me remotely, and it's got like an impact sensor, so that should help. Well, YouTube, we have it. We have an alarm system. It's got motion sensors and shit, so I'm gonna arm it from the outside, and it's also got like impact sensors. It's pretty badass. All right, ready? Haha, you like that? Yes. Yeah. That's pretty awesome. All right, YouTube, I think that's gonna do it for the trailer. Hopefully no one's gonna break in, because the alarm will go off. I don't know, we'll see, I guess, I don't know. But it's kind of cool, it does actually report back to the remote. I'm adjusting the sensitivity, because right now I had it armed and something, like a big truck drove by and it started going off, so obviously it's too sensitive. I gotta find the right balance between having it go off when someone actually hits the trailer, or, you know, starts cranking on it, and having it go off falsely, so. All right, you guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. It sucks, and I'm still pissed off that my trailer got messed up, but at least it was fixable. It forced me to kind of rethink my safety and security strategy on it, so that's good. So if you guys like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Well, I mean, hopefully you didn't like it, but you know, like the video, you know what I mean. Do that, it helps us out. We do appreciate that. And of course, go visit normalguyssupercar.com. There you can buy parts and services for your car. Still working on the Superleggera. We gotta get the transmission back in, gotta get it taken care of. We had to go pick up our new toy car, which is sitting right there. I'm not gonna show you right now, but it's right there. It's so cool. So cool. So you guys are gonna love that. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be sweet.